How to recover deleted post on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to recover deleted post on Instagram. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram app on your device. Head towards home screen and make sure to log into your account. Now tap profile at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three line icon at top right corner to access settings and activity page. Choose Account Center. Scroll down and tap Your Information and Permission option. Choose Download Your Information. Tap Download or Transfer Information button and tap Some of Your Information. Now you'll read on this section where you need to choose the option for post if it is available. Then tap the next button and select download to device and choose your email ID. Tap create file and your information is being prepared for download. Once it is ready, you'll be notified from your email. You need to open it and from there you can recover deleted post on Instagram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.